Hi guys, this is Sadik from Driving.com, and in this video we'll show you how to check the bootloader version number for your Samsung phone. So this is quite an important requirement and it is required when you are doing a rollback or a downgrade. So do keep in mind that you cannot do a downgrade from a higher OS bootloader version to a lower bootloader version. You should be on the same version or you should do on a higher version. I will explain all this in detail, but first and foremost just keep in mind that you cannot do a downgrade from a higher bootloader version to a lower bootloader version. It should be of the same version or it should be on a higher version. So if you are currently on a 5 version, you can do it on a 6, 7, 8 version or the 5 version at the very most, but you cannot downgrade from a 5 version to a 4, 3 or 2 or 1 bootloader version. So what does this exactly mean? For that you will first and foremost have to find out the bootloader version for your phone. Regarding that, there are two approaches: via the settings menu and then using the recovery method. So if you talk about the settings menu, you then have to go to the settings, about phone, and then go to software information. Under software information, have a look at the build number. Then the fifth value from the right is your bootloader version. So in my case, the fifth value from the right is 5. So the current bootloader version in my case is 5. In this screenshot, as you could see, the current build number is 5. So the bootloader version of my phone is 5. So I can only do a downgrade to a firmware which has at least 5 or a 6, 7, 8 or 9 bootloader version. I cannot do a downgrade to a firmware which has 4, 3, 2 or 1 as a bootloader version. So keep this point in mind. As you could see that on the right hand side, this is the firmware page and this is the firmware for an older OS, and the bootloader version is the same as my current firmware. So I can do a downgrade. So it should be either the same or a higher. You cannot do a downgrade to a lower bootloader version. So if the value is 5, it's always the fifth value from the right. This is never going to change. The fifth value from the right of the build number is your current bootloader version. So it should be at least the same or a higher version. You cannot do a downgrade to a lower version. But apart from that, things begin to take turn for more interesting. So apart from the numbers, you could also have alphabets as this value. For instance, in my case, in my current phone, let me show you. So if you have a look at the build number, let me zoom in a little bit. The build number is the fifth from the right. So the fifth from the right is actually a value A. It is not the numerical value, it's an alphabet A, as you could see. So what happens in this case? Well, if your version is A, B, C or something like that, then first and foremost the bootloader version start from 0 all the way up till 9, and it is quite obvious that 8 is more than 9, 7 is more than 8, so the same value follows that. But after 9 you will get the values at A, B, C, D, F and so on, and herein the B is greater than A, C is greater than B, and D is higher than C, and E is higher than D and so on. So the alphabet that comes next is higher than the previous alphabet. Moreover, A is larger than 9. So if your current bootloader version is A, you cannot do a downgrade to 9. You can only do a downgrade to higher version, which in this case will be B. So in my case, the current bootloader version is, as you could see, the current version is A. So I can only do a downgrade to B, C, D, E, F and so on. But I cannot do a downgrade to any other numerical values such as 9, 8, 7, because in that case, the bootloader version will be downgraded and you cannot go downwards in case of bootloader OS version. So for instance, this is a SamFW website, and from here you could see these are the firmware for my phone, and this is the latest firmware which is installed onto my phone. And if we have a look at the fifth value from the right, which is A, this is my current bootloader version. So I could only do a downgrade to a higher version which will be B, C, D, E and F. But as of now you could see there is no higher version. So in the current state I cannot do a downgrade to a lower OS version because there is no build number or the bootloader version which has the A bit, as you could see. So let's suppose I was currently on this firmware. So on this firmware the bootloader version is 9. Again, it's the fifth value from the right hand side, as you could see, it's 9 from here. So in that case the bootloader version is 9. So if I had to do a downgrade, I will have to do a downgrade from a lower version to a higher version. I cannot do a downgrade to the to a lower version, I could always do a downgrade to a higher version. So if it's currently 9, so I could then do a downgrade to the bootloader version A, but I cannot do a downgrade to the bootloader version 8 or 7 and so on. Or let's suppose if I have a downgrade version, I am currently on this firmware, so it has the bootloader version as 7, so I can only do a downgrade to any other OS version which has a bootloader OS version at least 7 or a higher value. So for instance, this OS version is on Android 13 as you could see, and let's suppose I am currently on this firmware, so the bootloader version for this firmware is 7, and let's say I want to go back to Android 12. So in that case, I'll have to find a firmware bootloader version which has at least the bootloader version 7 or a higher value. So the same rule applies across all the scenario. Just keep in mind that the fifth alphabet from the right or the fifth value from the right is the bootloader version, and you could only do a downgrade over a higher version. So if you have 7, then you could install a firmware. It could be Android 12, Android 11, Android 10, that does not matter. What matters is that it should have a higher bootloader version. For instance, it could have 8, 9 or A, B and C, just a higher version. So you cannot downgrade from a higher to a lower, but you have to, or you can download from a higher to another higher level. For instance, from A to B or B to C or C to D, or from 7 to 8 or 8 to 9, but you cannot do a downgrade from 7 to 6 or 6 to 5. So keep this point in mind. And apart from the settings menu, you could also verify all this stuff from the recovery menu as well. For the recovery mode, you will first and foremost have to tap on build number 7 times. Then you will get a prompt that developer mode has been enabled. Once that is done, go to the settings menu. From there, go to developer option and enable the toggle next to USB debugging. Once that is done, download and extract the Android SDK platform tools on your PC. I will give a link for that as well. Then type in CMD in the address bar and hit enter. Now type in ADB reboot recovery, and your phone will now reboot to the stock recovery. This process will only work on the stock recovery and not on a custom recovery. So keep this point in mind. Anyways, our phone should not reboot to the stock recovery in a matter of few seconds. And once that happens, you will have to refer to the third line. And in the third line, you will see 3 values separated by a forward slash. Let me show you. Just give me a few more seconds. And let's wait for a phone to boot to the recovery. And then we will check out the value from here as well. It will give you the exact same value. Still, I am showing you. So have a look at the top. And at the top, there are 3 values. Let me zoom in. Over here, you could see in the third line, there are 3 values. And all these 3 values are separated by a forward slash. The first value is 11. The second is RPTA and something like that. And the third value starts from the G7818. So the G7818B is my model number, then the XX and such as. So you will have to check out the value from the right hand side. The fifth value from the right is your bootloader version number. So again, as you could see, in my case, the fifth value from the right on the third value on the third line is A. So the bootloader version is A in my case. And again, the same rule applies here as well, that you cannot downgrade from a higher bootloader version to a lower bootloader version. So I cannot do a downgrade from A to 987, but I can do a downgrade from A bootloader version to B bootloader version or C or D. I can do that. The OS version does not matter. What matters is just the bootloader version. So you could also do a check from here as I've shown you, or the settings menu. Both of them will work. And once you have verified everything, you may then proceed ahead and do a downgrade. I will make a separate video on the same as well, on how you could do a downgrade of Samsung device. So make sure to check out that video as well. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. In the entire video, the only thing that you have to keep in mind that is that you cannot downgrade from a higher bootloader version to a lower bootloader version. You can only do a downgrade from a high to a much higher version. In this regard, in the numerical format, the numbers are quite obvious. For instance, you may do a downgrade from a OS having 5 version to a OS having 6 or 7 or 8 version, but you cannot do a downgrade from a bootloader version 5 to 4, 3, 2 and 1. But if it comes to the alphabet, then in case of alphabets as well, A, B, C, D, E and F, then B is higher than A, C is higher than B, and so on. So you may do a downgrade of a bootloader version A to a B, or from B to C, but the vice versa is not true. Likewise, the alphabets are higher than the numbers, so A is larger than B. So this means that you could do a downgrade from a bootloader version A to B, and so on. So keep this point in mind, and with this your task would stand complete. I will make a separate video on the same as well, so do check that out. And if you still have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.